Saddam Hussein, the former president of Iraq, enters the courtroom, his demeanor defiant yet composed. His presence commands attention, a stark reminder of the power he once wielded. The Iraqi Special Tribunal is in session, with judges seated on an elevated platform, their expressions stern and focused. The air is heavy with the significance of the trial, a pivotal moment in Iraq's history. The prosecutor stands, outlining the charges against Saddam Hussein, focusing on the 1982 Dujail massacre.
We seek justice for the 148 lives lost, for the families torn apart,
he declares, his voice echoing in the silent room. Hussein listens intently, occasionally exchanging glances with his co-defendants, their expressions a mix of indignation and resolve.
These charges are politically motivated,
the defense lawyer asserts, gesturing emphatically.
The trial's legitimacy is questionable, marred by international interference.
Hussein nods in agreement, his eyes narrowing as he surveys the courtroom. The defense's arguments add complexity to the proceedings, highlighting the contentious nature of the trial. The chief judge stands, his expression grave.
In the case of the Dujail massacre, we find Saddam Hussein guilty,
he announces, his voice steady. Gasps ripple through the gallery, a mix of relief and disbelief. Hussein remains stoic, his fate sealed with the pronouncement. Outside the courthouse, protesters gather, their voices raised in protest and support. The international community watches closely, opinions divided on the trial's fairness and implications.
Justice has been served, but at what cost?
A human rights observer comments, capturing the complexity of the situation. As dawn breaks, Saddam Hussein is led to the gallows, his steps measured and deliberate. The execution is swift, witnessed by a select few, and broadcast to a world eager for closure. In the silence that follows, the weight of history settles, leaving a legacy of questions and consequences.